folks, welcome back to another video, Willie's Videos. 2022 Hyundai Santa Cruz, doing alright. Just installed the third set of underGlow kit